In this lesson, I will explain to you iterate through lists using for and in. Last time we had discussed for and in a string. So same concept we are going to apply on lists. So here is our list. I have used for. As you know that after for you have to write down any meaningful variable or arbitrary variable. What is the meaning of meaningful or arbitrary variable? See here, we have used the name of the cities. So I have used the name of city as an arbitrary variable. It means there should be some link between whatever we have mentioned in the list or this variable. And after in, write down exactly whatever is the name of your variable you have assigned to list, and then print city. When I will run it, you will see all the cities name vertically. Each name has its own line, and this is the purpose of for and in. Here I have made another example. Sales is equal to 16, 18. This is again our list, and I want to add all these numbers, means 16 plus 18 plus 19, and total is equal to 0. So for sale is the arbitrary variable. After in, exactly you have to write down the same variable name, and this plus sign, right? It means they will add together. When I will run it, you will see 234 is the total, right? If I will make negative, so what you will think, the output should be negative. Now they are adding by using the negative sign. So see here, now in this example, I have also put the print sale statement here. When I will run it, you will see the output. All the numbers are in vertical order as well as the total. Right? Okay. Here the same example only to show you that arbitrary or meaningful variable, you can write down any name. You can try by writing any letter A, B, C and whatever. So when I will run it, you will see the same output is there. So how simple is it, right? So practice, these are the three practice problem for you. Create a list of 6 to 8 strings. Just write down suppose 6 names of animal and then print it. Same thing here, you have to write down integers. What we have learned, I have put some example for your practice work. Why? Because when you will involve, you will learn more. See you in the next lesson and thank you.